It's 9 a.m. from Fox 35. This is Good Day Orlando.
How about this, Amy? Take years off your face, all during your lunch break. There's a new trend in cosmetic procedures that you can get done and change your look in just a few minutes in one day. Joining us to talk more about this new trend in lunchtime procedures, plastic surgeon Dr. Armando Soto. Doctor, always good to see you. Appreciate you coming in.
Nice to be here.
Let's talk about these lunchtime procedures first of all. You said it's an interesting name, but what are they doing in these procedures?
Well, there's lots of different options depending on what the patient is hoping to achieve. If there's some wrinkles that are muscle motivated, Botox is always, very popular. There are things that we can do to improve the appearance of the face with fillers, but I think that the biggest trend is using light-based devices and ultrasound-based devices to tighten skin.
Is that kind of what we're looking at right here behind us?
Yeah, it's one of those treatments.
So what does that do? Well, you come in, you obviously see you have a treatment like that. What does that do to your face?
Well, it depends on the individual treatment and on the goals of the individual patient, but generally what we're trying to achieve is a tighter, smoother look to the skin.
I think that's what everybody, I'm sure you hear that all the time.
Yeah.
We were joking, I raise my eyebrows, I get some wrinkles up here. Everybody as they get older has this.
Right.
But is that a good idea to come in for lunch, have you do that and then be on my way, or is it going to require something else?
I think that the best way to manage it is based on the needs of the individual patient, and they're the best ones to understand what their job requirements are and how comfortable they are going back to work. Most of the treatments are going to involve, in order to get a meaningful improvement, you're going to have a little bit of, possibly a tiny bit of bruising, possibly some swelling. You might need a little medicine because some of the treatments can be a little bit painful. So it depends on your job and how much time you have off for lunch.
Well, we see these ads all over the country right now. I know they're big up in New York where, lunchtime procedure, limited downtime, but you're saying if you want some meaningful change, you better expect some downtime.
Yeah, I think so, and I would be a little bit skeptical of those kinds of promises. I think, unfortunately, sometimes promises get made that can't be kept. So you want to be careful.
I have a feeling, though, people when they watch this segment are going to say, I'd still like to do that lunchtime procedure.
Sure.
Where just have a little nip tuck here and there. What does something like that cost? Just to maybe get the Botox? Is there a general rule on prices?
It depends on what you're having done and how much of it you're having done. So some people, to achieve their individual goals, will have a small amount of Botox, say, and some people need more. And depending on how much time is required of the provider and how much Botox is used, your cost could be a little or they could be a lot. I'd say a minimum cost for treating forehead wrinkles with Botox would probably be about $200.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Well, I have lunch every day. I can come see you every day and get something else done.
We'll take care of you.
I'm sure there are people like that out there. You see them all the time. All right, Dr. Armando Soto, good to see you. Appreciate you coming in today. Do appreciate. Hey, what's your website in case people want to check you out?
It's drarmandosoto.com.
Simple enough, just like his name. All right, 9:26.